everyone and welcome back to the channel. So following on from the last video, we've got a few more bits that I've ordered from Airtec. So I'll just do a quick overview of what I've got and then we'll get them on the car. So first of all, I've got the Airtec Induction kit, which consists of a Pro hose, a cotton cone air filter, a heat shield and also the map sensor housing. So alongside that, we've also got the short shifter, which reduces the stock throw by 15 or 30%, depending obviously on what setting that you want. So first things first, we're going to have to remove the airbox cover because I've got a dipped engine bay and also the induction hose. So let's get going. So I've got a 7mm socket just to undo the jubilee, well, loosen the jubilee. So that should be enough. So I'm just going to unplug this so I've got easier access to the map centre so that I can get a flathead just under this little bit to get it out. And then I'm just going to pull the hose. This is a problem that we had last time. Got hardly any muscle. There we go. I'm just going to use a flathead just to get under this little lip, just so that we can turn it a little bit. And then pull it out and put it to one side. Now that that's off the way, we'll just need to remove the airbox cover. Put that to one side. Stay safe. Loosen the clips off. Pull the panel filter out. Realise I left it. It's not coming out.
Well, there we go.
Look at that, no blood. So now that we've got that part out, I'm just going to lift it up. Put it in the bin. Just kidding. And then this is what you're left with, and got the fancy hoses.
Bend your bumper.
What?
Bend your bumper.
Yeah.
Never mind.
You are?
Nope.
It's a bit shrimpy. And then moving on, we need to remove the induction hose. So to do that, I'm just going to use a 7mm socket, loosen up the jubilee, then that should let the induction hose come free. And then once that's all loosened off, I'm then just going to rotate it and pull it. And there we go. We can also put that in the bin. So we're going to be removing the gearbox linkage with just a stubby end of a screwdriver because we haven't got a pin tool at the moment. And to be honest, this will probably work. Oh god, there we go. Told you it was better than pin tool. So you've got to remove the nipple from the short shifter. So you've got to remove the nipple from the short shifter, and then we just need to unscrew these little bolts here, just so that we can take it apart. So using a Torx 25, I'm just going to do that for all three. And there we've got it. Right. Put the short shifter on here. Other side underneath.
That corner looks out a little bit. That looks better. Go on now, got one in.
And then just getting the screwdriver again with the Torx 25 on. I'm just going to tighten them up. So if you want to reduce your throw by 30%, you need to put the nipple in this back one here, and for 15 it's this one. So we're going to go with the 30 and put the nipple in this one. So let's see how that is. Where's the nipple? So we've got the nipple. I'm just going to put it in. And then I'm just going to use an 11mm deep socket. Where's the nipple gone? I can't see it with these bloody wires.
tighten off that. That's fine.
And then I'm just going to throw this back and attach the gear linkage back on. Just like that. Should we go and see how short of a throw it is? Oh, let's go. So I've just set the heat shield into position and also put a nut, a bolt and a washer all through to make it all secure. And obviously I'm going to have spares on, so I'll show you what to do on the other side. So we've got a bolt with a washer going through this hole on the bung, and then underneath you'll need your washer and your nut, and then obviously we then need to secure. So I'm just going to use a 13mm socket underneath to stop the nut spinning, if I can find it. I think that's on. And then a Torx 40 on the top to tighten. So then I'm just going to fix the bracket onto the heat shield. So I'm going to use a 10mm spanner underneath just to stop the nut from spinning, and then a Torx 25 on top to tighten it. That one's pretty tight anyway. Then the next one, yeah, there we go. Have I tightened this one? No. I must have. So we've got the Pro Hose induction hose and the standard hose, and as you can see, Pro Hose one is a lot thicker, and just better quality. So the holes at the start and the bottom are the same size, but with the standard one, as you can see, it tapers off into a little hose, which means that the Pro Hose one you get better airflow. So using the Jubilees provided, using the Jubilees provided, we've attached this top one on. So I'm just going to go underneath. Is that even right? I feel like I'm going to break something.
You thought something. That's all.
There we go. There we go. And then push that on, make it flush. And then using a 7mm socket, I'm just going to tighten up the Jubilee. And then we've just also put the Jubilee on the other side, so we're just going to put the map housing, or the map centre housing underneath the Jubilee. Not the Jubilee, the hose. We're going to tighten the Jubilee with the 7mm. Now for this, the Jubilee, like little clip, doesn't actually fit in the part just because I've got a battery cover. So, got a battery cover, not to worry. It just will not fit in this little part. So now that I've got the MEF
sensor.
The MEF sensor. Beep 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 beep. And then with the MAF sensor, we've already put it back into the clip, and then just put it in the hole and push it down. So we've got a cover to hold the clip in place, a washer, and also a little screw. So I'm going to put the cover in first. Maybe it's the other way. Yeah, that's the one. Then put the washer on the screw. That in. And then, what's the best of this is a Torx 25. No, do you not think? Yeah. 15? 20? 15. third time lucky. Right, that's tight. So the math sensor housing's all done, and then time for the cone filter. So basically just put it on really. And then using a 8mm on a screwdriver, just tighten the Jubilee. There we go. Go. Go on, turn her on. So yeah guys, that is the short shifter and the induction kit all fitted. As you could tell by my face, it sounds insane and I can't wait to actually drive the car and then hear it just like... But yeah, anyway, I'd say it's a quick and easy install, a simple modification that'll take you less than half an hour. For both, obviously if you're going to do one, it'll take you a lot less. But I hope you have liked the video. If you have, then please like and leave a comment about what your favourite part of the video was. I'll also be leaving a link in the description to these parts that I've fitted onto the car today. But yeah, hope you've liked the video and I will see you in the next one.